Basically make jerky.
Que lo mejor que para eso es un machete o un
Hopefully have
machetín.
dried meat for the rest of the trip.
O una mocha. Una mocha mejor.
Look at these two guys.
Dylan
Mira
time!
vea cómo tiene carne esa mujer. Oh my god, y el idiota se fue. Tenía de todo ahí
Oh
alrededor.
my god.
Coco.
That was so good. My body is completely starved of protein. And I can feel it, like, it's so weird. I can feel it, like, already being broken down in my body. I'm really
Get up, cry baby. Oh, you're letting a girl beat you? Look at this.
The chitras are at their peak tonight because it's a full moon. It's like fiberglass.
They're so
Rub
funny,
into
Ba.
your skin, every inch of your body, and it just constantly stings. I will do anything to get away from those bugs. I went ahead and did something a little out of the
Ah, y ellos no
ordinary.
pueden llevar el spray de eso contra los bocos.
peed
No.
myself, and I used the liquid with the soot of the fire and rubbed it all over me to keep the bugs off. I have pee on my face. That's okay, because I'm not wild. I can do whatever I want.
What you doing in there, mama?
19 días lleva esa mujer.